Well, in the second episode, there is a pot brownie off in terms of.
Did you see that?
I did see that. There, you guys
Yeah.
get to be absolutely insane in that.
Yeah.
Yes.
But what is the craziest thing they've had you do so far? Is that it?
I don't know if they really film it when they ask us to.
No, they didn't. No, that
Most of the
that
crazy
was
stuff's
just-
off
that was just
camera?
for
About
us.
that stuff.
That's
That was for
okay.
us, yeah. No,
Sorry.
it's getting crazier every week. I mean, I'm not going to let any cats out of the bag, but it's getting nuttier. But the brownie one is pretty darn good. And we had that stupid song in there, which all of a sudden, for the rest of the week, we are singing this song. I can't get it out of my head.
No, that'll be like season
Yeah.
6 if we go that far.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But you know, it's really a chance for grown men to be 12 years old 5 days a week and actually get paid for it on Friday. I mean, what did I do right in my life to allow for that? I can't believe it.
Like you said, it's your Lifetime Achievement Award, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So with that song, are you guys like expecting that to kind of go viral? And
Oh, it has to, don't you think?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
catchy. I still have it in my head. It's a little alarming.
Yeah, it's like if you have children, some of the little children's songs that you listen to when you play them for them, and then everything, put the kid to bed, now that song is stuck in your head. It's that kind of thing, yeah.
Great.